With paragraphs of text we can do various formatting, and same in the paragraph section here we can click on this drop down menu. Firstly we will highlight our text, then we'll click on the drop down menu. Indenting and spacing, again general, so we can center, right line, or fully justify both sides, left and right margins. Again we'll justify it, click on OK. So you can see its text is aligned on the left and right hand margin. Go back in here, we're going to go set it to left again and click on OK. As regards indenting, we can indent the left margin by say 2 centimeters. Click on OK. Everything will move in, so the left margin. Again, an ideal scenario would be if you had a letter-headed notepaper and you had a design down the left hand side. You might need your text to be indented from that. We'll undo that. Again, we have various options inside here, for example a hanging indent, a first line indent, and we can set the amount. So first line by 1/2 centimeter, 1/2 inch, click on OK. So you can see it indents the first line of each paragraph. The hanging indent is like the opposite. The first line remains to the left hand margin while the remainder is indented. Click on OK. Here you can see the first line is unaffected and the remainder is indented by 1.27 centimeters. We can also adjust the line spacing, which we've looked at earlier. Double line spacing, that's the space between the sentences. Again, we can change that. We can also adjust the amount of space before a sentence or after a sentence. So for example, before we might set it to 6 point and after to 12 point. That spaces out our text like this. We'll undo that. Hence that's our indenting and line spacing, which is also available inside in this drop down menu.